Welcome to tondoeslinux. Today, we're diving into advanced Linux command line tools that boost productivity and efficiency. These aren't your basic commands. They're powerful utilities that can transform your Linux experience. Ready to become a terminal wizard? Let's explore these amazing tools. Htop is a game changer for process management. It elevates the classic top command with a vibrant, user-friendly interface. Easily filter, sort, and even kill processes directly. Want to find processes by user? Press F4. Sort by memory? F6. It's a must-have for any Linux enthusiast. Install it with sudo apt install htop or sudo dnf install htop. ncdu is your go-to tool for visualizing disk usage. It scans directories, presenting a sorted list by size, helping you pinpoint space hogs effortlessly. Navigate with arrow keys, delete files directly, and export reports. It's a lifesaver for freeing up space on servers or personal machines. Install with sudo apt install ncdu or sudo dnf install ncdu. Tired of wading through endless man pages? Meet TLDR, your new best friend, for simplified command help. It offers practical examples for hundreds of commands, focusing on real-world usage. Install it with npm and get quick, clear cheat sheets. It's like having a command line cheat sheet at your fingertips, perfect for both beginners and pros. sysadmin is a game changer for file searching and command history navigation. It performs interactive fuzzy searches, dynamically filtering results even with partial matches. Enhance your shell with sysadmin for a more efficient workflow. Integrate it with your shell to supercharge your command history search, making it easier to find and reuse complex commands. Meet bat, the cat command's cooler cousin. With syntax highlighting, line numbers, and Git integration, bat transforms file viewing into a visual treat. It detects languages, highlights code, and even shows Git changes. Customize it to match your terminal's theme. Install with sudo apt install bat or sudo dnf install bat. Elevate your file viewing experience. RIPG or RG is a blazing fast alternative to grep, perfect for searching through large code bases. It respects Git in your rules and uses multiple CPU cores for parallel searching. With support for regular expressions and multiple file types, RIPG is a must-have for efficient text searching. Install it with sudo apt install RIPG. TMAX is a game changer for terminal enthusiasts. It lets you run multiple terminal sessions in one window, split them into panes, and even detach and reattach sessions. Perfect for long-running processes on remote servers. Customize your workflow and boost productivity with this must-have tool. Ready to dive into JSON processing with JQ? Let's go. JQ is your go-to tool for JSON data manipulation. It's like sed or awk, but tailored for JSON, allowing you to filter, transform, and perform complex operations with ease. With JQ, you can extract fields, filter arrays, and even sort data, all with concise commands. Perfect for anyone dealing with JSON regularly. Glances is your all-in-one system monitoring tool, displaying CPU, memory, disk, network, and process info in a single terminal window. With color-coded alerts, it highlights potential issues instantly. Monitor remote systems or export metrics to monitoring systems effortlessly. It's like having a dashboard for your Linux system, ensuring you're always in control of your system's performance. FD is a user-friendly alternative to the find command, offering simpler syntax and faster performance. It respects gitignore rules and provides colorized output. With the X option, you can execute commands on found files, making it a versatile tool for efficient file searching and manipulation. Perfect for those who want speed and simplicity in their searches. These 10 advanced Linux command line tools can significantly boost your productivity. They represent just a fraction of the rich Linux ecosystem, but are among the most impactful. Try them out and see how they fit into your workflow. Thanks for joining me on this journey to enhance your Linux command line skills.